Right now, your sentiment score sits at minus 0.05, and momentum has surged to plus 0.46. Notably, this sentiment dip is the lowest we've seen in the last month, indicating a potential shift in collective sentiment around financial topics. With 20 semantic clusters identified, our API provides a granular breakdown of these sentiments, helping you understand what's driving this unusual behavior. Imagine you're building a trading algorithm that adjusts positions based on sentiment shifts. By integrating our API, you can trigger actions when sentiment dips below certain thresholds, effectively capitalizing on market mispricings. Get started with our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. With our data, you can turn sentiment insights into actionable strategies.